Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a vendor credit in QuickBooks. So first, you may want to head over to qbo.intuit.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the search bar, we're just going to type in vendor credit. And as you can see, there's a setting here that says create a vendor credit and all you have to do is click on it and a new window will then pop up. Here we are at the supplier credit page. Now from here, all you have to do is of course enter details about the vendor credit you're trying to create, starting with the supplier or the vendor. Make sure that the mailing address is correct and of course the payment date. Then next in the table, select the category for this credit, add in description and of course the amount. And next is add tax if applicable. If not, you can turn it off by clicking on out of scope tax. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!